Let's make a modern rum barrel riff that's a real winner. Stick around.
The category for this one is Thing, R-S-T-L-N-E. Let's start with those letters. Okay, now we need 3 more consonants and a vowel.
M, B, C,
And 1 more vowel.
A.
Let's see, what do we get? Strong start. Okay, go for it.
Rum barrel.
Not quite.
Bum barrel.
Nope.
Dumb barrel. Gun barrel. Gum barrel. Hum barrel. Sun barrel. Zun barrel.
That is not correct.
Fun barrel. I don't know. Yum barrel?
That's it.
Oh, that's the one? There's too many barrel recipes. The rum barrel is one of those classic tiki recipes that gets remixed and reimagined probably as often as a Mai Tai or a Navy grog does. You got the Steve Crane recipe from 1961 that started this whole mess. You got the Don the Beachcomber one from 65. Portugal. You know what? We covered all these ones already in an episode that we recorded over
4 years ago.
Link in description. Since its inception, there are now countless tiki bars out there with their own house rum barrel recipes with a surprising amount of variety, both in flavor and quality. I mean, sometimes it's a real toss-up. But today we're focusing on an amazing modern rum barrel variation from the social media community, the Yum Barrel. This recipe is from Nathan Robinson, also known as My Taiwan on Instagram. What I love about this recipe is that the resulting flavor reminds me of the very first rum barrel I ever had, with a fair amount of rich sweetness and also unique spices. And this barrel recipe is about as unique as it gets, introducing things like mezcal, cinnamon, and ginger syrup, while still maintaining classic elements like passion fruit syrup, bitters, and of course, 2 rums. I also like that it doesn't call for 10 or sometimes 11 ingredients like some classic rum barrel recipes do. It uses 7 or 9 if you count the bitters. But hey, think about it as putting together your very own prize puzzle. But before we go any further, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. All right, let's roll this barrel out, starting with 1 ounce of lime juice, a ½ ounce of cinnamon syrup, a ½ ounce of ginger syrup, we're using Liquid Alchemist, 3/4 ounce of passion fruit syrup, we're also using Liquid Alchemist, 1 ounce of mezcal, we're using Illegal, 1 ounce of a dark Jamaican rum, Nathan prefers to use Dr. Bird in this case, a ½ ounce of 151 Demerara rum, we're using Lemon Heart in this case, 3 dashes of orange bitters, and finally 3 full dashes of Angostura bitters. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. Add several ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. This sounds cool. Now normally you would serve this in a rum barrel of your choosing, but for showcase purposes, we're gonna serve this in a Double Rocks Mai Tai glass. Fill it up with crushed ice. Now, just strain it in. Lovely. Now Nathan likes to spruce this up with a variety of garnishes, starting with some mint, right? A skewered cherry, that guy here. And finally, a charred cinnamon stick. Let's char it up. Stick a straw in, and there it is, the Yum Barrel. Let's see what we got. Cinnamon and mint, obviously. Yeah, like I mentioned at the beginning, I think it's just an excellent combination of rich sweetness and unique spices. The sweetness coming from things like the passion fruit, that cinnamon syrup, which is also lifting up the spices in that 151 Demerara rum, and the other rums. It's just a really great combination and a well-balanced drink and aptly named Yummy!
Yummy!
Let us know what you think of this recipe in the comments below, and check out Nathan's other recipes at My Taiwan on Instagram. Until next time, cheers. You got the classic Steve Crane recipe from 65 that started this whole mess. You got the Don the Beachcomber recipe from 19... Oh, yep, I already up the numbers. Okay. I also love that it doesn't call for 10 or sometimes 11 ingredients like some classic rum barrel recipes do. Yeah, I got it right and I still stopped. Okay.